Today we can discuss square halo pattern. Hmm, That program we need to implement in Spring Boot application. See, this is the square halo pattern. We need to implement this square halo pattern in Spring Boot application. First, you can open Eclipse. First, we need to create the Spring Boot application. Go to others. First, you can check here. It is not there. You can go to others. Here, select Spring Boot Spring Starter project. Here you can write square halo pattern. Click next. I selected Lambok and Spring Web. Click next. Click finish. This is now application is loading. Application is loading. We'll open here. See, application is loaded. Now you can create the model class. First, you can create the model class. I think no need any model class. Just I will create one service layer. First, I will create one service layer. That means interface. First, you need to create SKView, SKView, UR square halo pattern, square halo service. I will write like this: square halo service. Class is created. I need to create the method public. I need to return string type. I need to return string type. He get square halo pattern. Here I need to write the string value str string input. I will write input. I will write the off stack method here. Now I will write the implementation class for this one. I will right click here, go here. I will create class imp implementation class. Click finish. I will implement this one. Implement square allow service. Will implement the method also. I will implement method also. I will implement here. First I need to convert into the integer format. That's why what I need to do, int input is equal to integer dot parseInt input, converted into input format. Now here parameters same. That's why I will give input value. Similarly, I will change here. See, that's why that is the reason here is showing. Now I need to write the string builder. First I need to create the string builder. SB is equal to new string builder. New string builder. Now I will write for int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to input I plus plus. Next another for int j is equal to 1, j less than equal to input j plus plus. Now I will write one if condition if I double equal to 1 or I double equal to input or j double equal to 1 or j double equal to input. Why means see I is equal to 1 or I is equal to input. Input means final value. I is equal j is equal to 1 starting value or j is equal to input ending value. Then only we need to display star. Otherwise, no need to display star. Type of scenario we need to display. Remaining scenarios, no need to display star. That's why I will write append. Display space. See, only this condition only need to display the star. Remaining conditions, no need to display. You can display empty space. That's why I'm returning this one. Now, I will give the next line of this one, sp dot append. Here I need to write system dot line space, line separator. This is sending to the next line. That purpose this is using. This is sending the next line. That purpose this is using. Now I need to return this one. That's why sp dot to string. This is a string builder. I need to convert into string format. That's why I need to convert sp dot to string. This is completed. That means service is completed. Now I need to write the control class for this one. I will create one more class. I will create one more class. That is square hello controller. Square hello controller. Click finish. I need to write the REST service, REST controller. I need to write the REST control. Here I need to write one more thing. That means request mapping. Request mapping here. This is a starting of the URL. Here square hello pattern. I will copy paste here square hello TTRL pattern slash API. I write API. Here I need to write the auto wire. That means you need to create the bean of service class. That means here private what is square allow service reference variable this one. But I need to write post mapping. Need to write the post mapping for mapping purpose. You need to write post mapping also is okay. Get also is okay. You can write get mapping. Get mapping. Here we need to write the path. Path we need to write here get hello pattern. Get hello pattern. We need to write the string. That means here first I need to here what need to here need to call to the hello service hello service dot get. Here input parameter you need to pass the input. I will write input. Here also I will write input. I will write input. See, this is I will pass only single parameter. I need to return the value this one. Now what I need to do first I will explain again. First I created one interface. In this interface I write the square get square hello pattern abstract method. After I need to create one class implementation class. I need to implement the logic. Is taking the string builder. Why means I need to store into everything into the string builder. That will I need to display single time. Here control class is there. Here control class. I'm writing API starting API. This is a get hello pattern mapping. Get mapping. I will pass input and I will get the value. This is the way to implement. I need to restart the server for this one. First, you need to start the server. Go here. Start the server. Server is some exception. Is there why this exception came? Go to the service implementation class. Here we need to check. Need to write the service stereo type. Now again we need to restart this one. Server is I think already down. I need to restart this one. See, server is restarting. See, server is started. Now I will go to Postman. Here I will already is a localhost 8080. Here I will go here control class. I will go control class. Go to control class here. Here what is square pattern. I need to restart this one again. We need to copy this one. You can copy this one. Already restarted. Server is restarted. You like this? Again, I will do this one. I will take this one. I need to give input. What is input here? Input. No need. You can try this way first. Then you can check. Oh, not for error. Here I will write double slashes. Where for not fun? Need to give input equal to 5. This one no need none. This is a post mapping. We need to write get. See, this is the output of the program. See, we are giving localhost 8080 square hello pattern API get hello pattern input equal to 5. We are mentioning input equal to 5. Then try this way. We can try raw type. You can give this one what happened. You can check. This is not taking. This means this is object format. Here is mentioning. That's why here is not taking. Here you can go here. You need to pass here only. And question mark input equal to 5. It will get. You will get the output. This way we can implement the Spire Halo pattern in Spring Boot application using REST services. This is the REST service. We are creating REST service API. We can pass the data. We can get the data from output like this. This is the implementation programming. This is the implementation of application. Service 1 and service interface, implementation class, control class. We can write another way also. Here also we can write in no need to create any other services, means you can write here only directly run method. You can override and you can implement. That is also one way is there. I will also explain that way also. This is the Square Hello service implementation program in Spring Boot application. If you need any more information about Java related, Python related, could you please comment it below commented box? I will help you. Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Before signing off, I am requesting, could you please subscribe and support me, help me. We will meet next video.